Whether purchasing your first bandsaw or upgrading to a new one, how do you know which bandsaw is right for your workshop? In this video, I'm going to take you through some of the different considerations when selecting the bandsaw that's right for you. Cutting depth, from table to blade guide, and ripping capacity, from blade to column, will dictate the maximum physical capacity of your machine. If you only intend to work on thin timber, smaller size motors are fine. Larger machines with healthy cutting capacities, depth of cut, need more power to drive this blade through potentially maximum capacity timber. Cutting hardwoods generally requires more power than softwoods or man-made panels. Blades are available in a range of widths, types, and tooth patterns to suit different jobs and materials. Wider blades are perfect for timber sizing or cutting veneers, while thinner blades, with more teeth, are great for curves and freehand work. The larger the table, the better the support for your timber. If you want to bevel cut timber, we recommend a tilting table that also locks into place. Some work can be carried out freehand, without a fence, but straight cutting is extremely difficult without an adequate fence in place. Basic fences are available through to fences suited to cutting thicker boards with wider support and greater accuracy. Depending on your workshop and how flexible you are with available space, heavier is generally better. Lightweight construction generally means a little vibration. The sturdier the design, the less vibration will occur. Look for cast iron components to avoid vibration. If you are tight for space, mobility options are also available for most machinery. Bandsaws are one of the most versatile machines you'll own, and the right bandsaw will help you take your woodworking journey to the next level. Visit our website or come into one of our stores to browse our range of quality bandsaws today.